Hey science enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the deep end to answer one burning question. Is the Megatron Shark real or just a myth? Let's find out. First off, what's a Megatron Shark anyway? Well, the term Megatron Shark isn't exactly scientific. It's a nickname some folks use for the Megalodon, an ancient prehistoric shark that was, quite frankly, colossal. Imagine a shark the size of a school bus. Yeah, that's a Megalodon. But here's the thing, megalodons went extinct around 3.6 million years ago, so technically there shouldn't be any swimming around today. However, there are always rumors and stories about giant sharks lurking in the depths. You might have come across videos or articles claiming sightings of these massive creatures. Now let's get scientific. There's a principle called Occam's razor, which suggests that the simplest explanation is usually the right one. When it comes to these supposed sightings, marine biologists argue that it's more likely people are misidentifying other large sharks, like the great white. Great whites can grow pretty big themselves, up to 20 feet or more. But what about those super convincing photos and videos? Well, in this age of digital manipulation, it's not too hard to create convincing fakes. Think about it. If you wanted to make a splash on social media, wouldn't a gigantic, terrifying shark help your post go viral? Exactly. Let's also talk about the ocean itself. It's vast, mysterious, and largely unexplored. But if there were megalodons still out there, we'd likely have found more concrete evidence by now. Fossils, carcasses, or even just more frequent sightings. The fact that we haven't suggests they're truly extinct. So is the Megatron Shark real? Sorry to burst the bubble, but the evidence points to it being a myth. Megalodons were real, but they're long gone. The creatures swimming in our oceans today are impressive enough without needing to add a fictional monster to the mix. And there you have it. The Megatron Shark is more fantasy than fact. But hey, that doesn't mean the ocean isn't full of wonder and mystery. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into shark myths, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Stay curious, my friends.